Hey guys, today we're going to be working on a Bywayman. This one's been modified, been painted and wrecked a couple times and looks pretty bad, but we're going to bring it back to good shape again. So let's get started. We got it stripped. I found a new bed on top for it, so we'll be using that. Got it stripped, so now all we got to do is take it to the paint shop, put a new coat of paint on it. Be right back. Okay, we're back from the paint shop. And surprise, we have another pink truck. Go ahead, came out pretty nice. We'll go ahead and put some decals on it and then put it back together. And we'll have another nice truck for our pink collection. Be right back. Got the decals put on it. So now all we have to do is put it back together. We started with this. And we ended up with this. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe if you haven't. Be sure to click the little bell. Give a thumbs up if you liked the video. We'll catch you on the next one, and have a great day.